Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a sensory bottle like this. We are going to use these materials: a clear mason jar or any clear bottle you have, some glitter, some sequins and colorful beads, and a food coloring and some more glitters. Let's start. I'm going to open this mason jar and then fill with water. Now I'm going to add some food coloring. I'm using blue. You can use any color you have. And then stir. I need more color to add. Now I'm going to add some beads. Going to add some glitter. Some sequins. You can add any objects like small fishes, Legos, or anything you have available. Some different type of beads. Some different color glitter. And add more water. And close it tight. I'm going to see if I need more water, beads or sequins. I think I need some more water. I'm going to add a little bit more water here. And once everything is ready, I can secure the lid with the super glue. And it's ready. Thanks for watching.